guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. If you want to see how I made this yummy delicious okra and ogbono soup, please stay tuned. This soup is so yummy and so delicious, and the aroma is absolutely to die for. Welcome. It is a Nigerian soup recipe video. I'm going to take you guys and I will be introducing you guys to our ingredients for today. Please stay tuned. This recipe I'm going to be using palm oil, dry fish, my ogbono, salt and crayfish, okra, diced onions, maggi and ogiliobe, onions, habanero pepper and sweet red pepper. So guys, this is my meat. Inside the pot is red meat and shaki. I am going to add seasoning in the meat and we'll start boiling the meat. So I am going to add my diced onions. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add 2 maggi. I am going to put the stove on and we'll start cooking the meat. We're going to cook the meat until it is tender and soft. So guys, after boiling my meat for 30 minutes, I am going to add my blended onions, sweet red pepper and habanero pepper in the pot. I'm going to add more water in the pot. I'm going to cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of adding my blended mixture, I am going to add my ogbono. I'm going to allow that to cook for 10 minutes. So guys, after 10 minutes of adding my ogbono, I am going to add my red oil. So after adding my red oil, I am going to add my dry fish. And I'm going to allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. So guys, after 10 minutes, I am going to add my seasonings. I'm going to add maggi. So I added 2 maggi. I'm going to add crayfish. I'm going to add ogiliobe. add a bit of salt. I'm going to allow the seasoning to simmer with it for 3 to 4 minutes. So guys, I'm going to add a little water to this because it is very thick. And remember, I'm going to be adding okra to it. So if I leave it this thick, if I add okra, it's gonna be so thick. But then if you like your soup thick, then don't worry, just leave it the way it is. I don't like my ogbono too thick. Okay, so yes, let me just allow that to simmer for 2 minutes, and then I'll add my okra. So guys, after allowing that to simmer for a few minutes, I am going to now add my okra. I'm going to taste for maggi and salt. Yeah, there's enough maggi and there's enough salt. So I'm going to allow that to simmer for a few seconds, okay? Because I don't want to overcook the okra. This soup is ready. We're just gonna allow the okra to simmer with the soup for a few seconds. So guys, after a few seconds, it is time to take out our soup out of the stove because it is ready. So guys, I have taken our soup out of the stove and it is looking absolutely so delicious, and it tastes so delicious. The aroma is absolutely to die for, guys. Yes, I can't wait to dive in and demolish like champion. This soup is so rich and so thick, although I added the extra water, but it is still super thick. Anyway guys, this is where today's video is going to end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and give a thumbs up if you haven't, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Mwah.